Let's understand what the Node modules folder is. We'll explore what Node modules is and how the Node Package Manager, also known as NPM, manages the dependencies for your project. So, what exactly is the Node modules folder? It's a special folder found in Node.js projects. This folder acts as a central repository, housing all the external packages and their associated dependencies that your application needs to run smoothly. Let's examine a typical directory structure of a Node.js project. You'll usually find the Node_modules folder at the root level, alongside files like package.json, which manages project metadata and dependencies, package-lock.json, which ensures dependency version consistency, an entry point file such as index.js, and a source directory often named src. Now let's see how the Node Package Manager (npm) interacts with the Node modules folder. When you run the command npm install express, npm downloads the express package and its dependencies from the npm registry and installs them into the Node_modules folder. Alternatively, running just npm install will install all the dependencies listed in your package.json file. Peeking inside the Node modules folder, you'll find a structure that mirrors the dependencies of your project. Each package, like Express, Lodash, or Moment, has its own folder containing its package.json file, JavaScript files, and potentially its own Node_modules folder with further nested dependencies. The dependencies in a Node.js project form a tree-like structure. Your application depends directly on packages like Express. In turn, Express may depend on other packages like Accepts, Body Parser, and Cookie. These, in turn, may depend on further packages like MIME types and Negotiator. This nesting continues, forming a tree of dependencies required for your application to function. Let's discuss some recommended practices when working with Node_modules. First, it's generally advised to never commit the Node_modules folder to version control systems like Git, as it can be quite large. Instead, you should commit the package-lock.json file. This file ensures that everyone working on the project uses the exact same versions of dependencies, preventing compatibility issues. In summary, Node modules is where all the external packages are stored. NPM, Node Package Manager, manages these dependencies automatically based on the package.json file. And remember, never commit Node modules to version control. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.